Massacres of my land. I remember the song. Mzwaki Mbuli said it before me. Matanzima, Mangobe, Mpeipu. Names that learned how to kill land without spilling blood. I was peaceful, joint lit, oxytocin high. 11 plants returned to the soil on a full moon day. Right timing, right rhythm. Then yo, the lawnmower, the trimmer, the blower, disturbers of my peace. These machines are normal here, but abnormal to nature. Grass never asked to be shaved. Soil never requested symmetry. You could be dreaming. Lotto numbers. Millions still imaginary, but hope already alive. Disturbers of your dreams. You could be meditating. Birds stitching silence together. Presence arriving slowly. Disturbers of your breath. You could be on a golf course, at work virtually, waiting for your turn to say, nothing on my side. Disturbers of our realities. Every time they arrive, I must find something to do. Clean, scroll, fix, move. Silence is not allowed here. And that's how we are enslaved. Not by chains, but by noise. Not by force, but by interruption. When it's too loud, you cannot dream. When you cannot dream, you obey. Nature does not rush, but machines do. And we have mistaken urgency for purpose. The lawnmower, the trimmer, the blower, disturbers of my peace, disturbers of your peace, disturbers of the future we were supposed to imagine.